A glowing complexion is a well-rested complexion, and a great night's sleep is the first step in a successful beauty routine. Sleep is important, and research studies conducted by Estée Lauder and University Hospital's Case Medical Centre have confirmed that a lack of sleep can accelerate the signs of skin ageing. So if lack of sleep is an issue for you, incorporate Estée Lauder's Advanced Night Repair Serum into your nighttime skincare routine. This iconic patented skin serum stimulates skin's natural nighttime repair mechanisms for a complexion that looks well rested, smooth and hydrated. For super glowy results, apply the Estée Lauder Advanced Night Repair Power Foam Mask immediately before your makeup application. This supercharged mask dramatically hydrates the skin and leaves it looking instantly fresher and more youthful. Leave this on for 10 minutes and then massage any excess serum into the skin for a radiant and hydrated complexion. Remember, a beautiful makeup look starts with a good night's sleep.